May domestic
Correct.
law tayo
Oo.
kahit hindi tayo miyembro ng Rome Statute.
May domestic law tayo. Kahit na wala yung ICC yan, ginawa nating obligasyon natin at karapatan natin isang guni ang isang akusadong pinaniniwalaan o may mga ebidensyang gumawa ng crime against humanity, krimen laban sa sangkatauhan sa International Tribunal na nag-iimbestiga na. Republic Act 9851, in the interest of justice, the relevant Philippine authorities may dispense with the investigation or prosecution of a crime punishable under this act, which includes crime against humanity. If another court or international tribunal is already conducting the investigation or undertaking the prosecution of such crime. So mismo tayo may batas na ipinapaubaya na natin sa isang international tribunal kung nag-iimbestiga na sila ang mga usaping crime against humanity. Meron pang pangalawa Ang mga otoridad ay maaaring isurrender at i-extradite ang nasuspektya o akusadong tao doon sa appropriate international court.
Walang lusot.
Kasi itong Republic Act 9851 ay pinirmahan noong 2009. Ang Rome Statute ay 2011. So nauna to bago yung ICC. So before pa yung ICC,
may batas na
meron
po
na
pala
tayong
tayo.
batas.
Yes. At ngayon, lalo pang na angkla. Kasi sabi ng ICC, may jurisdiction kami. Article 127.
A state shall not be discharged by reason of its withdrawal from the obligations arising from this statute while it was a party to the statute. Its withdrawal shall not affect any cooperation with the court in connection with criminal investigations and proceedings, in relation to which the withdrawing state had a duty to cooperate and which were commenced prior to the date on which the withdrawal became effective.
Tapos ang kakabit niyan mas mahalaga. Nor shall it prejudice in any way the continued consideration of any matter which was already under consideration by the court prior to the date on which the withdrawal became effective. Kawika natin. Hindi rin ito makakasama o maaapektuhan ang patuloy na konsiderasyon ng any matter na naidulog na for consideration ng korte bago pa tumiwalag ang isang bansa sa ICC. So therefore, sabi ng ICC, may jurisdiction kami.